Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the complex world of stocks, specifically focusing on Nvidia and AMD. Is their stock undervalued? We'll be analyzing the financial health, market position, and growth prospects of these tech giants. This exploration is pertinent considering the current market conditions and the increasing relevance of the tech industry. So, join us in this journey to uncover the hidden value of Nvidia and AMD stocks. If you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Before we delve into our main topic, let's familiarize ourselves with the concept of stock valuation. Stock valuation, in its simplest form, is the process of calculating the intrinsic value of a company's shares. This is done by using various financial tools and methods, such as the price-to-earnings ratio, dividend discount model, and the free cash flow to equity model, among others. These methods help investors identify whether a stock is overpriced, underpriced, or fairly priced. The concept of stock valuation is a fundamental part of investing because it helps investors make informed decisions. It's like trying to buy a house. You wouldn't just look at the exterior and make a decision, would you? You'd want to know what's inside, the condition of the house, and if it's worth the asking price. Now, the same principle applies to stocks. Now that we have a basic understanding of stock valuation, we can move on to the main event. First up, we have Nvidia, a well-known name in the tech industry. A titan of the tech world, Nvidia has a storied history that's worth exploring. Established in the late 90s, it quickly rose to prominence as a leading force in the graphics processing sector. Its reputation has been built on a foundation of cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions, making it a household name for tech enthusiasts and investors alike. In terms of stock history, Nvidia has seen quite a roller coaster ride. From a humble beginning, it has experienced periods of significant growth, particularly in the past 5 years. This rise is a testament to Nvidia's ability to stay ahead of the curve, delivering industry-leading products that keep consumers and investors coming back for more. Now, let's talk numbers. The current price of Nvidia's stock is a reflection of its robust financial performance. Over the past fiscal year, it has reported impressive revenue growth, fueled by strong demand for its graphics processing units or GPUs, which are widely used in gaming, data centers, and artificial intelligence applications. Moreover, the company's healthy profit margins and consistent cash flow generation further solidify its financial standing. However, it's not all about the numbers. Market position is a crucial factor to consider when analyzing a stock. Nvidia has a strong hold on the GPU market, commanding a significant market share. It's not just a leader, it's a trendsetter, constantly pushing the envelope with its technological advancements. But, as with any investment, there are risks involved. Nvidia operates in a highly competitive environment, often facing off against other tech giants. It's a game of innovation and adaptation, and staying ahead is never a guarantee. While Nvidia has demonstrated potential, the question remains, is it undervalued? This is where the analysis gets interesting. Evaluating whether a stock is undervalued requires a deep dive into a company's financials and the broader market conditions. In the upcoming scenes, we'll continue this discussion by looking into AMD's performance and comparing it against Nvidia. So, stay tuned. Next on our list is AMD, another big player in the tech world. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, has a fascinating stock history. Starting as a small semiconductor company in the late 60s, it has grown into a major tech powerhouse. Over the years, it's had its share of peaks and valleys, but in the last 5 years, it's been on a steady climb, showing robust growth. As of now, AMD's stock price sits at an impressive level, reflecting the company's strong market position. It's noteworthy how AMD has managed to keep up the pace with its larger competitors. It's a testament to the company's innovation and adaptability. However, a stock's price doesn't tell the whole story. Let's delve into AMD's financial performance. Over the past few years, AMD has demonstrated consistent revenue growth. Its net income has also shown positive trends, signaling healthy profitability. This consistent financial performance is a positive sign for investors, showing that AMD is not just surviving, but thriving in the competitive tech market. Now let's talk about AMD's market position. In the world of semiconductors, AMD is known as a leader in innovation. The company has held its ground against larger competitors, carving out a niche in high-performance computing, graphics, and visualization technologies. Its Ryzen and Radeon product lines have been particularly successful, contributing significantly to its market position. However, like any investment, AMD's stock comes with risks. The tech industry is fast-paced and highly competitive. Market dynamics can shift quickly, and companies must constantly innovate to stay ahead. AMD's future performance will depend on its ability to navigate these challenges and continue delivering innovative products. So, where does this leave us with AMD's stock? The company's strong financial performance and market position certainly make it an attractive investment. However, it's important to consider the inherent risks and uncertainties in the tech market. Similar to Nvidia, we're left wondering, is AMD stock undervalued? Now that we've analyzed each company separately, it's time to compare them. Let's begin with the stock performance. Over the past 5 years, both Nvidia and AMD have demonstrated impressive growth. Nvidia's stock has seen a significant rise, largely due to its dominant position in the high-end GPU market and its ventures into artificial intelligence and data centers. AMD, on the other hand, has made a striking comeback from near bankruptcy, with its stock value skyrocketing thanks to its successful Ryzen and EPYC product lines. In terms of market position, Nvidia and AMD are both heavyweights in the semiconductor industry. Nvidia has a strong hold in the GPU market, whereas AMD competes fiercely with Intel in the CPU market and with Nvidia in the GPU market. It's a classic David and Goliath story, with AMD, the smaller company, taking on two industry giants. However, market position is just one piece of the puzzle. Future prospects are equally, if not more important when it comes to stock valuation. Nvidia's future looks promising with its ongoing expansion into AI, autonomous vehicles, and data centers. AMD, while smaller, is not to be underestimated. Its recent success in gaining market share from Intel in the CPU market, and its push into high-performance computing and gaming, suggest a bright future. It's also worth noting that both companies are making strategic moves to grow their businesses. Nvidia's acquisition of ARM Holdings, if approved, could be a game-changer, potentially making Nvidia a key player in the broader semiconductor market. AMD's acquisition of Xilinx, on the other hand, is expected to boost its data center business and strengthen its portfolio. In the face-off between Nvidia and AMD, it's clear that both have their strengths and weaknesses. Nvidia's dominance in the high-end GPU market and its foray into new tech territories give it an edge. However, AMD's impressive comeback and its potential to disrupt both CPU and GPU markets should not be overlooked. As always, investing involves risks, and it's crucial to do your own research before making any investment decisions. So, after our in-depth analysis, where do we stand on the question of undervaluation? Let's recap. We've delved deep into the financials, performance, and potential of both Nvidia and AMD. We've seen Nvidia's impressive growth trajectory with its strategic forays into areas like artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicles, and its strong market position in the GPU sector. We've also talked about AMD's remarkable turnaround story, its competitive pricing strategy, and its promising future in the CPU market. But, as with any investment, there are risks. The tech sector is notoriously volatile, and both companies face stiff competition not just from each other, but from other tech giants as well. Regulatory hurdles, supply chain disruptions, and the ever-changing dynamics of the global economy are other factors that could impact their performance. Now, let's talk about the potential benefits. Nvidia, with its leading-edge technology and diversified product portfolio, is well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for high-performance computing. AMD, on the other hand, with its aggressive pricing and focus on innovation, could well disrupt the market and grab a larger share. So, is either stock undervalued? The answer isn't straightforward. It's a complex interplay of many factors, including financials, market trends, competition, and future growth prospects. What might seem undervalued to one investor might not to another. It's all about perspective. But here's the crux. Investing isn't just about numbers, it's about belief. Belief in the company's vision, its leadership, and its ability to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. It's about understanding the risks, being comfortable with them, and having the patience to ride out the market's ups and downs. So whether you're leaning towards Nvidia or AMD, or perhaps considering both, remember to do your homework. Understand the companies, their strategies, their strengths and weaknesses. And most importantly, align your investment with your financial goals and risk tolerance. While the question of undervaluation isn't black and white, we hope this analysis helps you make informed investment decisions. That's all for today's stock analysis of Nvidia and AMD. We hope you found it enlightening and helpful. If you did, we'd appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and colleagues. This not only supports our work, but also ensures you don't miss out on future content like this. Remember, the more you know, the smarter your investments. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel for more insightful analyses. Stay tuned.